Are hydrogen peroxide and rubbing alcohol the best way to clean a wound? The answer, believe it or not, is no. Now, while both hydrogen peroxide and rubbing alcohol are antiseptics, which means that yes, they do kill germs, they can also harm surrounding tissue of the wound, and they can also destroy healthy cells. Guys, this is not good. It's actually one of the reasons why sometimes it burns when you apply them to wounds. But the bigger issue is that these can both delay healing of the wound, which is not what we want. Honestly, soap and water really is the best way to clean a wound. It'll wash out the debris and germs. Now, look, if you have stuff that's stuck in your wound, you can get a pair of tweezers to pull whatever is like any debris out that's in the wound, and then wash it with soap and water. Of course, you always want to talk to your doctor about what's best for your wound because every wound is created differently.